Today is October 17, International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. It is a special day when the whole world joins hands to help people who don't have enough food, clothes or shelter.
Poverty means when someone doesn't have what they need to live a happy life, clothes to wear, a safe home, or even to go to school. There are many children in the world who can't study because their parents can't inform. It is sad, but we can all do something, even if it's small. We can share our old books, toys, clothes. The small act of kindness can bring big smile to someone's faces. Do you know what eradication means? It means to properly remove or end something bad. So when we say eradication, poverty, it means to working together so one share no one or without basic needs. Yes, and our leader and organization like the United National work hard to reduce poverty by providing education, job and food for all. But remember, it's not only their job. Even the students can make a difference beginning kinds. That's right. When we waste food, think for those who have nothing to eat. When we throw away old clothes or toys, remember someone else might really need them. Let's make promise today. We will share, care and be aware. All together we can make the world fair. Littlevoices. Before we end, let us remember this thought by Mahatma Gandhi. The world has enough for everyone's need, but not for everyone's greed.